everyone, welcome to this video. It's a different one than usual because normally I am wearing the designs I want to show you, but this time I'm showing them to you on a screen because I don't have these designs here, but I think they're awesome. I want to introduce you to a bunch of alternative fashion designers from all over the world. I hope you can find some inspiration or find some new designers. Yeah, I love them. Let's go. First off is Ultranova. They have studios in Chicago and in Cannes, France, and they produce and design every piece in-house. What I love about them is they work with materials like silicone and acrylic, and they make breastplates, bikinis, so swimwear, bodysuits. They are really innovative in what they're doing. So they took silicone and made it fashion. Some superstars are wearing their designs. It's on the runway, it looks so high quality, and the colors are so outstanding with the ultraviolet colors, the chrome colors. Maybe you saw them on social media a few years ago. Some of their clips went viral, and that's, I think, what gave them a huge leap in publicity. I know that their pieces are a bit pricey, so I don't know if you want to spend that money, but if you do, at least you have a designer piece. Continuing with Bizarre Design NL from the Netherlands, Jeroen van der Klis, and he's actually a technical engineer, but his specialty is corsets and restrictive fashion, so to say, like wobble skirts and arm binders. So I've talked to him, we wrote a few messages. He's really nice. Unfortunately, I did not have the chance yet to work with him, but maybe in the future. His pieces are basically structural art pieces, so you see that there is a technical background behind the conception and construction of the corsets, for example. You can lace them down really tight, and for that it needs great craftsmanship. It doesn't look too kinky, but the designs are really kinky from like the restrictive point of view. But on the other hand, they're still fashionable, so they do look like something special. If you want to order something from him, you can have a look at his price list on the webpage, but just get in touch with him personally. I think that's the easiest way. Next is Gia. She's located in Milan, Italy. Originally, she's from Bulgaria. She's a trained fashion designer, and she does a lot of high couture leather works, and you can order it via her catalog on her webpage. I just love her designs. She's her own model and obviously her own muse, and the pictures she takes are incredible, and she also looks incredible, and I love her designs. They're clear, they're powerful, they're bold. Like combining the leather with these huge spikes is always something I adore. Also, when she's wearing masks and the face pieces she does out of leather, it doesn't look tacky, it doesn't look too fetishy. It just looks so futuristic and unique, and I think it's really fashion, and not just, I don't know, for the leather lovers, but for everyone. And also the bag with the huge spikes at the bottom is something, I don't know, no one has thought of before, and it looks just so great. Up next is Cecilio Designs from Spain. He does specialize in leather crafting, and he does a lot of masks. That's how I got to know him. And by now also corsets. I've seen he made shoes recently, which I love, and a really well-known alternative fashion designer. Been around for years already. I think the designs are fantastic. They're kind of organic looking, so like a living thing, but also like art and like structures. You just have a look for yourself, because it's hard to describe and it's top-notch quality. There is an online shop in which you can see some of the pieces, but you have to write them a message to order. The rule for this video that I did not wear something from the designers I'm introducing is not true in this case, because a few years ago at the Boutique Bazaar in Hamburg I tried on a mask from him, like just a upper face mask. It was so great, it felt so good, like the leather was really soft but also firm. I think the designs are great. To show you Corset Factory products. They're from Istanbul, Turkey, and they do everything by hand. They specialize in heavy PVC wear. They make a lot of hoods and collars, also restrictive design. If you want to order there, write him because he does everything made to order. He's also a very nice person. I wrote a few messages with him. Unfortunately, I did not have the chance to work with him yet. If you are more on the kinky side, you should definitely have a look. What I love about his social media presence is that there are a lot of making of videos, so you can have a peek over his shoulder and see how he makes the products, which is great. I love to watch them. Does someone of you own something from one of the designers I just told you about? Please write it in the comments. And how did you like this video and this kind of, like, I'm not showing it, but I'm going to show you picture structure. Also leave a thumbs up also, but leave a comment in the comment section down below. Yeah, it was something new. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and check out the Instagram pages of the designers for more pictures. Check out their web pages and check out my channel for more from me. I will see you around in another video here. Have a nice day. Bye.